So then they okay now interview.
Are you reading it?
Yeah, I'm just to read this short time. Okay. So that means I will not read this. I will not read this. It's only the questions.
Okay.
But let me tell them. Come.
No, you can read it now if you
After the reading, then you can ask your question.
No, yeah, read.
Tell us.
Good morning. My name is Ahmed Nda Baba Yakub.
Okay, no problem.
It's okay now. My name is Ahmed Nda Baba Yakub. I want to present some allegations and some things put in right. I think by reading it, everyone will understand. The recent protest, which took place in Abuja, that was tagged "Wike must go," is a show of shame by the fraudulent elements who are not indigenes of FCT. The FCT minister, in the person of Honorable Barrister Nyesom Wike, are showing capacity, excellence and productivity. The minister of FCT, who has insisted that all contractors who have the collected contracts from the past administration without delivering should all return to site and make sure the job are done. The side protest, they say the protests are corruption fighting back the FCT minister, who trying all his best to restore the lost glory of FCT from the hands of land grabber with fake companies. The FCT minister is the man of action who have, in the last few months, kicked the ball rolling in the positive directions with the indigenes and residents of FCT call on the perpetrators of these crimes against FCT minister. That is Honorable Barrister Nyesom Wike has a lot job to do in FCT. He should not be distracted so that he can replicate what he did in Rivers State for us. As he is tested and trusted as indigenes and residents of FCT, we are here to pass a vote of confidence on the impact measure Honorable Barrister Nyesom Wike is taking to make FCT a home for all. Where our rights as indigene and resident will be protected. We also use this medium to say thank you to Mr. President for appointing Wike as FCT minister. Thank you.
So which additional information you want to?
The additional information that I want to use, the Honorable Minister of FCT, we the indigenous of FCT, we have suffered a lot in the hands of most of the ministers. Most of us have been relocated from our origin home to where we are not happy about. But we know with this opportunity, we trust him, we believe him, and we know that he can do it because he has done it in a River State. We are crying to him to help us with the indigenous. Most of our primary care, our primary school, we don't have a good road, our women are suffering, and the indigenous are not well-being. We are not participating in any government that comes. But with this Nyesom, we are pleaded to him. The residents, the indigenous and the residents are not happy about past administration, but we believe we are crying to him to make sure that we, the indigenous and the residents, we are happy again in the FCT. And we are praying to him with God. God will support him and achieve the aim. My name is Ahmed Nda Baba Yakub. Yeah.
Wike.